Oh, here I am from Donegal, I feel quite discontented, for to see the way that we're run down, not highly represented. For to see it is a general rule to make out Pat a knave or fool, but never mind, he'll play it cool and stand up for old Ireland. Do me justice, treat me fair, and I won't be discontented, but I won't be laughed at anywhere, but highly represented. Now Mr. Punch with his literature, he treats us very badly, and when he draws our caricature, he depicts us rather sadly. With crooked limbs and villainous face, he thus depicts the Irish race. We think it is a sad disgrace, and we say so in old Ireland. Do me justice, treat me fair, and I won't be discontented, and I won't be laughed at anywhere, but highly represented. When on the stage I do appear, with a thundering big shillelagh, with a ragged coat and a tattered hat, you think I come out gaily. With not a word of common sense, they don't know when they give offence, but carry on at Pat's expense. Why don't they come to Ireland? Do me justice, treat me fair, and I won't be discontented, and I won't be laughed at anywhere, but highly represented. They say we are dirty and lazy got, but where's the use to grumble? And if they visit an Irish cot, they're made welcome, though 'tis humble. But in public works the country round, or where hard work it is to be found, in the railway tunnels underground, you'll find the boys from Ireland. Do me justice, treat me fair, and I won't be discontented, and I won't be laughed at anywhere, but highly represented. 'Tis very true I like a glass, it makes me feel quite frisky. I am very fond of an Irish lass, but I'm partial to the whiskey. I am very quiet when left alone, but I do what I like with what's my own, and woe be to the foes of home who would dare run down old Ireland. Do me justice, treat me fair, and I won't be discontented, and I won't be laughed at anywhere, but highly represented.